Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how to create a social media post on Canva. So first of all, I will open my Canva. So here you can see I type in search bar social media post. So basically in this video, I will tell you how to create social media post on Canva. So we will search on canva.com social media post. So so easily you can see there are lot of social media posts. Here you can check there are lot of social media posts. So if I click on this one, so this one you can see we will changing on this social media platform, and then we can use for our social media platforms. So you can see social media. Here we will here I will delete this one, also delete marketing agency. So backspace, look amazing business. So here you can see its logo. Look amazing business. So this line we will click on the top of this side. So we will delete this one. Learn more, select this one, delete it, and also so our social media post is ready for our social media platform. So easily you can create and you can changing between them. For example, so this one is looking good. So our social media post is ready for our social media platforms. So if I click another, for example, we will ready another social media platform. We will ready another social media post for our social media platforms. So click this one. So you can see send to back. We will delete this one. Also delete. Delete it. We will select delete this one. Only select this one. So our social media post is ready. So now how I hope now you have an idea how to create social media post on Canva. So if you want to create another social media platform, social media post, so you can easily changing different social media post in Canva. For example, I click on this. So in this social media post, I will tell you how to create social media post on Canva. So I click on small, delete it, quotes, large it picture, so our social media post is ready. So easily you can create social media post on Canva. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Now I hope you have an idea how to create social media post on Canva. Thanks for watching.